Another day on the farmstead. The cattle would like some hay. It was 14 degrees according to my digital thermometer last night at the house. We'll get up here where the tractor's at and let's see if this little fella will start this morning. It's Maxim 5140 Case IH. Maxim has got the CDC-Cummins 5.9 in it. It usually starts pretty good. We'll give her a crank and see if we're going to get anything done today. Let me climb up in here. There we go. Now, waving the camera around. Let me see if I can get a picture of the exhaust a little better. So this is a cold start. Are we good here where we can see that? There we go. There we go. Uh-oh. Give her a little throttle. Uh-oh. One more time. That warm up a minute or two before we go. Just another day at the farm. There you go.